With puzzles coming in a variety of designs, shapes, and sizes, it's no wonder that puzzle crafts are taking the world by storm. Not only are puzzles fun and relaxing to solve, but they can be repurposed to decorate your home too. People have used puzzle pieces to create wall art, bowls, lampshades, and more. But for those of us who like keeping puzzles intact, let's take a look at a few ideas for quick and easy gifts using puzzles. Everyone can always use a coaster. So how about grabbing a puzzle, some cork tiles, and clear contact paper to create a custom coaster set? Collage puzzles may work best for this. Bookmarks are another great gift that you can make as small or large as you like. It's as easy as cutting the puzzle into a rectangle shape and covering the back with decorative contact paper. You can even cover the back with dry erase tape to make a reusable notepad. 18 by 11 inch puzzles make great placemats. Just cover the front and back with clear contact paper and you have a decorative and wipeable surface to make your table pretty and catch any spills. These are great for theme parties and just everyday use. Or, instead of placemats, they can be playmats to protect your furniture from paints, markers, crayons, clay, glue, slime, and more. You can also make fun magnets in different shapes and sizes. Choose a section from your puzzle, cut it out in the shape of your choosing, and glue a magnet on the back. There are so many ways to reuse puzzles, from notebook covers to wall hangings, and these are just a few ideas that the whole family can create together. Check out our other puzzle craft videos for larger projects like clocks, musical instruments, and more. Let me know how you reuse your puzzles. Thanks for watching and have fun today.